vehicular safety when it comes to getting into gunfights. The engine block is the only part that is bulletproof. Things to take into consideration when firing from behind the engine block. Behind the wheel is the best place to be, and you always want to make sure that you have enough clearance up above so you're not shooting into your vehicle. Another thing to be aware of is when you're down here by the wheel well, coming down here is a great time to go ahead, reloading. You can get down here below, kind of get some situational awareness. Keep in mind though that this stuff here is not going to be bulletproof. Be wary when you go forward. So on a drill like this, I would do a dismount from the vehicle and then begin to engage over the hood of the car. Notice I was drawing my gun out of the holster as I was exiting the vehicle. That's super important.